Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com, and today I'm sharing with you my recent haul from a couple of different places. Some of these orders I placed before in December and finally got them, and then some are just trips that I took at the end of December, and some are even from now, which is because of the Hobby Lobby clearancing out, as I'm assuming most of you have heard. Hobby Lobby is mysteriously clearing out a lot of their paper crafting and stamping products. So a bunch of them are 75% off or more, or a little less, depending on your Hobby Lobby. But we're just going to get started. Some of this stuff is really old from Michael's, like these recollection stickers were on clearance since they're the holiday version. Now what's really annoying about these stickers, so it says 570 because there's a bunch of sheets, but the sheets look all the same, which is why I never bought them to begin with. But they're all the exact same words. So that's really annoying, but some of them are cute to use over and over, like Hello Christmas, Magical, Jingle All the Way. So some of them are good. But these are meant for planners, so they're a little bit different for scrapbooking. I found these chipboard mixed media recollections paper tags with this cool ornate pattern on them. I think these were like 19 cents, so I decided to pick them up. And then I've been using some of these, but these are the Recollections Christmas Noel stickers. They're like little die cuts with glitter all over them. These are also on clearance. And then I found this randomly in one of the sections at Michael's. This was, I think, 39 cents. And it's just a yellow and purple dish. It's a little bit dirty feeling, but I still have to wash it. But I thought this would be good for sequins or die cuts to hold on the side of my desk. So it's over there. I went to the dollar store, and to be specific, it's a Dollar Tree dollar store, and I found two name brand paper crafting products. These are both by Crate Paper. The one on the right is from the Pier, and then we also have Sleigh Ride, and they're both accent stickers. So here's the ones from the Pier collection. Not exactly my style, but some of the colors are much more my style. And then here's the one from Sleigh Ride, which I have never heard of Sleigh Ride collection before. Let's see if it has a date on it. 2012 for Sleigh Ride and 2012 for the Pier. So I don't know how these ended up at my Dollar Tree, but I'm very excited to use them. Next we'll dive into a place called idiecut.com. They sell exclusively Cardabella and Echo Park paper products, and I picked up a bunch of stuff when they had their 25% off sale. Oh, here's one more thing I got at Michael's. They had two chipboard album sets, so it was this one in another shape in one pack, and they were $1.76, so I picked both of them, this little setup together. I already finished the other album, which you can find on my channel in February, so this is the other album I haven't done yet because I know this is going to be really annoying to cut out all the papers for the background, but I will be doing another mini album soon, so throwing it back with the chipboard albums, but it was a great deal, so I picked those up. Now back to idiecut.com. They have amazing sales where they take 50% off the entire store, including some of their sale items, so some of these are really great deals, and they again sell only Echo Park and Cardabella items, so they're sister companies. And I decided to pick up these die cuts, or dies. These are some snowflakes. I thought they were going to be bigger. I think I paid like $6 for these, which is quite disappointing, but I thought they'd be a little bit bigger. I'm happy with the size of this one, and then this one looks a little, These two are kind of smaller. But they're made in the USA, and these are the snowflake set number 1. So there's those. They have free shipping when you spend, I think, $20 or $25, so it's always worth it to spend that little bit. So this is the ephemera pack from the Cardabella Floral collection, which I do have some of these papers thanks to a sale from another store. But these are the ones you get in here. Really pretty collection, and I love my florals, so that'll be fun. I got this stencil from the I'd Rather Be Crafting collection. I already have a stencil kind of like this, but the dots are a little bit bigger. So I'm not sure if I'm going to give one away or keep one, but this is the Delightful Bubbles stencil. So I'll have to compare to see what they look like and see if they're really different. But a lot of the stencils I don't really like because they're too themey, like the birthday ones or the Christmas ones. But all their Christmas stuff from these collections were on clearance. So I also got 50% off the clearance price. So these enamel dots were like $1 each. Yeah, I think $1. So I got 2 sets of the same ones from I Love Christmas because the white ones and the green and the red always come in handy. I'm not really fond of this brown purpley color, but that's okay. I picked up these layered stickers as well because I have both of these collections from previous orders from there, but these were finally on clearance. I think they were $1 again, but they're really great dimension. I hope that's picking up well on camera. But just some cardstock stickers. And the main reason I placed an order was for 6x8 pocket page sleeves. So all of their pocket pages and regular page protectors were 50% off since the whole album was, but these fit 6x8 pages, which I really like. And this is the 25 pack, maybe? Yeah, this is the 25 pack. 25 page protectors cost, let's see, $5 normally, so I got these for $2.50, which is a great deal for 6x8 pocket pages. And this is the they have 2 holes in them, so it depends on what type of binder you have, because I have some that have 3 rings, but these have 2, which fits in the normal Project Life album, so that's good news. I also got the variety pack, the smaller variety pack, so this is normally $1.99 as well, maybe. I'm not 100% sure. I think the 25 pack was $4.99 and this one's $1.99. So all of these ones. So I have, this one's the variety pack, this one's the 3x4 and 4x6 combo, and this is the 3x4 combo. So these were all 50% off. This one's not in the original packaging because they were on back order and they wanted to expedite the shipping. So it's just the page protectors, but they still say Echo Park on them, so that's fine. I don't really care. But I got a bunch of these because I'm working on a new album soon for my pocket page scrapbooking. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, it's the giant Hobby Lobby haul. I didn't go too crazy. I actually put a lot of stuff back because I knew I didn't need it. I know I said I wasn't going to buy paper this year, mainly because I have a lot of paper to use, but since I've never bought some like collection packs, I'll just show you. I'll start at the top. I got these 2 washi tapes, which I also didn't need, but it was only $1, so they're 50 cents each. I'm really into this dark blue one. I even put more washi tape away, so I didn't know I never need more washi tape. As you guys know, my washi tape bin's overfull, but this one's really pretty. So I got these 2. This is from the Paper Studio, and again, really like those patterns. I found 2 of the resin pieces on clearance. This is from 2 Hobby Lobbies. Most of the Hobby Lobbies were pretty, one was like completely already gone through, and then the other one didn't have almost anything on sale, so we'll see how that goes. But I got some of the acrylic pieces, the cameras, and the globes. They have the arrows and the other ones as well, but the color schemes aren't great. These ones are great because they're black, gray, and white, pretty easy to use, but these ones are also okay, but I hate that they're all glittery. Why do they have to be glitter? Why can't they just be clear acrylic? I don't know. I picked up a couple of the wood veneers. I got the feathers and the numbers because I don't have either shapes of those. I found these in the mixed media section. It's 3 snowflakes and they're 37 cents. They're really thick, so they're like wood veneer, but they're chipboard. I somehow came across some Christmas clearance. These were 75 cents, the red and green, the only 2 they had. Again, I used the green color a lot as well as red a lot for other pages. And then I didn't get all the colors of doilies because I know I don't need more doilies, but you know, 75 cents for doilies isn't a bad deal. So I got the gold ones, the baby pink, the mint, and then the craft color, which this is not craft color. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not really the color that I consider craft. But 75 cents each was not a bad deal. I managed to find this Mickey Mouse collection embellishment set. So you have some rhinestones and then a title piece. These are some layered stickers. Some of them are a little bit too much, I think. And then you have some more down here. And there's this one underneath the choking hazard section. But for $1, I didn't think this was bad, especially for my Disney album. And these are by Sandy Lion. They had other characters on sale as well, like Frozen one, a Minions one. I think there are a couple superheroes. I'm just not 100% sure which ones. But that was a great deal for my Disney album. And then I got a couple of paper items. I'm going to cut these open so you guys can see them better. But I got the Echo Park Summer Dreams paper pad, which is $1.50 compared to $6, which is an amazing deal. I don't like to spend more than $3 on 6x6 paper pads because I don't think it's personally worth it to pay full price for anything, as you guys may know. But I got the Summer Dreams by Danny Mogstad. And I really like Echo Park papers because they are double-sided. So you can see all these beautiful pieces here. Like, I don't collect collections, as you guys know. I don't work with collections very often, like by themselves, but I figured I do have a lot of Echo Park items. It's one of my favorite brands, probably. I like Echo Park, Simple Stories, and then a bunch of other. My Mind's Eye is great too. And then luckily I found the collection pack, 12 by 12 collection pack, and the 6 by 6 paper pad of the same collection on clearance. So the 6 by 6 again was $1.50. They had a bunch of their own brand on sale as well, but I don't care for their own brand, their Paper Studio line for paper, since it's not high quality in the paper pads. It's still nice quality, but it's just not what I'm used to using. So this one matches the 12 by 12 collection that I picked up. Again, I think this will go great for my Disney album, since we went to on a cruise to some went to Animal Kingdom, and we can look at all this stuff. So like we saw the flamingos, and then there's the tiki room, so this will go well for that, as well as just some summer pages. So great deal on that. And then I can take this apart, but I'll show you the last two things I got. I also got some 12 by 12 vellum for only $1, so this was 75% off. So I got 2 packs of that, since I didn't have a lot of vellum before. I did get a little bit for Christmas, but this is going to be nice to have larger pieces as well. Plus it's a great deal, since vellum can be somewhat expensive. So I found those in the paper aisle as well. Those are the last two mine had. So now for the paper collection here, I'll open this up. It comes with a sticker sheet, and then a cut apart sheet, and then the papers. So let's see what we have here. So we first have the sticker sheet, which is really, really cute. I don't have many 12 by 12 sticker sheets, but the ones that I do have are from Echo Park, which were actually from a D-Stash giveaway someone was having. So this is like the first 12 by 12 sticker sheet I've ever purchased. Actually, I think I purchased one before this from an online retailer as well, but this is the first one I've ever purchased in person. So it's really cute. Again, I can use the flamingos on the pages of flamingos. I'm not sure I've seen a toucan, but again, the tiki room, that'll work just fine, even though they're usually parrots. We'll make it work. I don't understand the thing with mopeds, though. This is the second time I've had a moped, and I don't know what to do with them, since I've never been on a moped. But I love the 12 by 12 sticker sheets, the Florals stickers are as well, and then a couple title pieces here. So that's really nice. And then for the papers, this one's called Sunny Day. I love a nice yellow paper. Really pretty. Then we have this Summer Blossom. Here's the other side. This one's really pretty as well. I love a good floral paper. Summer Road Trip. Little cars. This one's called Flamingo and Palm. Oh, this one's so pretty. I love a nice wood grain. This is really pretty. This one's called Sweet Treats. I like how it's a gray toned wood gray too, because most of the wood grains are usually brown tones. And then you have the ice cream. Journaling cards. So this is the cut apart side here. These are cute. This one's called Tropical Floral. This one's a lot. This side is very much so too much. I like this side a lot better, but they're both equally pretty. This one's called Journaling Cards 4x6. There's a lot more paper in here than I anticipated. I don't think it was necessarily worth $2.50. But, I mean, you get a lot of paper, so it's not my usual style. Like, this one's going to be very hard to use, the stripe and watermelon set. But it's called Sweet Stripe. I don't even eat watermelon. 3x4 journaling cards. This one's beautiful too. And of course, the journaling cards are adorable. This one's really cute. This one's called Summer Floral. Got some X's on this side. And then you have the big florals on this side. And then this one's called Splash into Summer. So, those are the papers for that collection. Again, it's called Summer Fun by Echo Park. And that is it for my haul, at least that I remember buying during this time. As you guys know, I was on a spending freeze in January, so this was the one couple things that I purchased despite being on one. Went pretty well though. I don't see a reason not to splurge a couple times. But overall, I think these are some great deals. If you have a Hobby Lobby, I would recommend checking it out. I hear that people are going crazy over this sale, picking up all the things. I've seen some large hauls here on YouTube from some of these ladies buying all the things, but the deals are worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you got any deals at Hobby Lobby, let me know in the comments down below what you got. I'd love to see or hear about it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!